Agile versus SAFE. We will explore the fundamental differences between SAFE and Agile, and how each framework can benefit organizations in different ways. SAFE methodology. SAFE is a structured and scalable framework that allows organizations to apply Agile principles and practices at an enterprise level. It emphasizes collaboration between teams, alignment with business goals, and continuous improvement. SAFE is designed to ensure that large-scale projects can be organized and managed effectively, while maintaining a focus on quality and customer value. Agile framework. Agile, on the other hand, is a more flexible and adaptive approach to software development. It is based on the Agile Manifesto, which focuses on individuals and interactions over processes and tools, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan, and working software over comprehensive documentation. Agile methodology prioritizes delivering customer value through iterative and incremental development, comparison and contrast. While both SAFE and Agile share some common principles, such as continuous improvement and customer value delivery, they differ in their approach to planning, execution, and scalability. SAFE provides a more structured framework for organizing development teams and aligning them with the organization's strategic goals. On the other hand, Agile promotes flexibility, adaptability, and self-organization within teams to deliver products efficiently. Conclusion. By understanding the frameworks, organizations can choose the approach that best suits their needs and goals.